Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Metal Detector by Anakin. It's an adjustable metal detector for adults and kids with larger backlit LCD display. Included beach waterproof gold detector with pinpoint and sensitivity surge coil, the metal detector for kids and of course adults. It's really detector 8 and up for it. The kids' metal detector is the most ideal gift for the family. The three different emojis indicate the three different types of metal out there. Meanwhile, the larger waterproof 8-inch surge coil and the pinpoint button can precisely locate the metal position. The surge depth of up to 20 centimeters can surprise us and our family. And there's more. When the discovery the metal detector comes with the three different tones. One is the ferrous metal, the second is the bass tone, the non-ferrous metal with conductivity, this is the mid-range speaker, and the non-ferrous metal with high conductivity, that means the treble tone. At the same time, we can also follow the environment, adjust the sensitivity of the gold detector to reduce more detection errors. The gold and metal detector use an LCD display which can clearly display various informations. At the same time, the lights on the screen can be turned on or off really. It can also be used at night, no problem. The 3.5mm headphone jack allows us to search for treasures in noisy environment without disturbing others. And waterproof metal detector can be adjusted 63.5 centimeters up to 104.3 centimeters. It is perfect to be both our metal detector and beach metal detector. Oh yeah, for kids and adults. It is the best choice for us and our kids to have a good time at the beach, for example. IP66 waterproof coil is suitable for shallow waters. The identification disc is waterproof, but the controls are not waterproof. Okay, take care of it. You have to take care that you do not go diving with it. Anakin has been sold metal detectors for over 5 years and focuses on the outdoor all time. They believe that this metal detector they developed will definitely bring new experience and fun for outdoor explorers and gold prospectors too. And the company has a high quality R&D team. They have developed more than 40 models of outdoor products for different needs. To ensure that's the top quality. They have a full set of rigorous processing technologies with relative toolings and special facilities. The beliefs in integrity, highest quality first. They have been developing more and more new products sold to many countries and regions worldwide. And that you can feel because it's not so expensive. It is a beginner model, okay? It's a beginner model here and it works. It works really good. You can detect metal with it, no problem. It is in a good shape. It is made out of, the most thing is plastic. We have metal tube in the center, we have plastic on the top, and that's okay. In this price range is full okay. This is the Anakin latest metal detector, sort of for adults and kids out there, okay? The kids should be age 8 and up. It's high. It's six. It's possible to detect 6 metals, 3 modes, and it's waterproof. No? They are still a young team, and they believe that this metal detector develops by by Anakin will definitely bring new experience and fun for our outdoor explorers and, of course, gold seekers. The Anakin Metal Detector Kit is a perfect gift for family. We enjoy time with our children, so we let them go on a treasure hunt and help them practice their exploration skills and curiosity. Yeah. That's really awesome because there are six types of iron, Ni tab, ZnCuNAg can be detected. We have a sensitivity adjustment with it, and we have four detection models. For example, the first things turn on the switch. The product is in all metal mode. Recognize all metals. Then we press the menu button once. Shield ferrous metals like iron. Okay. Then we have press the menu button twice. Shield non-ferrous metals with low conductivity. Okay. And the fourth is press the menu button three times. That shield ferrous and non-ferrous metals with low conductivities. This is unshielded gold and silver. Yeah. Detects all kinds of metal. Three-tone Audi included, iron, nail, aluminium, silver, ring, coin, and jewelry, etc. Power on. All modes are adjustable with plus and minus to adjust the sensitivity. We have a menu button to go to the different kind of programs which you can detect. It's really awesome. And we have a low battery indicator. When the metal detector is on low battery, the indicator light on the LCD screen will turn red, prevent us from having to interrupt our treasure hunt because there is no battery. There is two 9-volt batteries are included. You can replace them if they are not fully charged anymore. 20% deeper detection are possible. Due to the large series Coil of Anakin metal detectors make it 20% deeper detection depth, up to 8.7 inches. That's possible. And we have a pinpoint function. I like the pinpoint function really much. It is an all-metal mode. When the detector detects a metal signal, we can use the PP function to find the exact location of the target. The button of the PP allows us to locate the target faster, easier, and more accurately. We have to push and hold this button in the center. It's a red knob, and then we can hear the voice, not the voice. It's a beep voice, and then we can detect it locally better. The device beeps continuously, or we do not make a sound, or the detector disc beeps when it is facing the sky. Too much metal media is in the vicinity. It is recommended to start the test in an open place outdoor, for example. The initial sensitivity of the metal detector is too high when switched on. So then we go and reduce the sensitivity a little bit of the detector. And if we have an incorrect test result during use, we have to swing the cables, will result in insurance test results. We have to check the cables and the wrap around the rod, okay? It's really nice and easy to attach, as you can see. It is, we have to install the detector first. We insert the coil cable, plug in the 5-pin jack connection with the stem, then we sheet the low stem on the stem itself and secure it by the fixing knob. Then we turn the stems lock anti-clockwise until it loosens. Then we lengthen or shorten the stem, so when we stand up upright with the detectors in our hand, the surge course is level with an about 1/2 to 2 inches above the ground, with our arm relaxed at our side. This is the right direction and the right adjustment we should use, but you can choose by your own what's your best adjustment here. Then we turn the stems lock nut counterclockwise to lock it in place, and we loosen the knobs at the surge coils, and then we adjust the surge coil to the desired angle. The surge coil should be parallel with the ground, okay? Tighten the knobs just enough to keep the third coil from the rotating of the wobbling. Then we have to install the detector. We turn the detector off, okay? When we slide the battery cover off it, and we then put the two 9-volt blocks into it and connect them, okay? Then we close the cover and get back in position. And then, of course, we have to enter this detector unit on the detector tube itself. This is a little bit tricky. You have to slide forward or downward and then forward, okay? That will lock, and then you can rotate supported with the knob easily. Always remove the old or weak batteries, which can leak chemicals that can be destroyed the electronic parts. If we do not plan to use the detector for a week or more, we have to remove the batteries, of course. Dispose the old batteries promptly and properly according to state and federal guidelines. We replace the batteries when the low bat display is on this LCD, okay? We loosen the lock to nut and lengthen the stem easily, okay? We loosen them, then we can shift it up and shift it down. We sheath the lower stem on the stem aligned holes on the stem. We secure it with the wicks and knob jogs down. Then we attached everything in place and we can start it after we tighten the lock nut counterclockwise. That's awesome. We can connect a pair of stereo headphones they are not included to the detector, so we can listen to it privately. Using headphones also saves the battery power and makes it easy to identify the subtle change in the sounds of here for better detection results. To connect the headphones to the detector, we insert the plug into the headphone jack on the side of the control housing. The detector's internal speakers disconnects when we connect the headphones. Listening safely. We do not listen at extremely high volume level. Extended high volume listeners can lead to permanent hearing loss. That's not good. We do not wear earphones while operating our detectors near high traffic areas. For safety, always be aware of our surrounding. That's for sure, okay? That's for sure. We press the power button to turn on the detector. We can press it again to turn it off, of course. We press the menu, the LCD display sends to press the plus or minus to increase or decrease the level of the sensitivity. When the SENS without disc is on the LCD, the detector is available for detecting all kinds of metal. If the detector finds 25 Th or 50 Th, for example, silver or copper objects, arrow on the LCD points to icon of the 25 Th. The detector sounds at a high tone. Also, the LCD displays the probable depth of the target. If the 5 Th pull tab or S cap aluminum or zinc object is found, the arrow points to the icons of 5 Th, pull fab, as cap, and the detector sound as a medium tone. A low tone will be heard when the iron is found and the arrow will point to a nail on the bottle cap. Also, the LCD display, the probable depth of the target are detected there. We press the menu again to choose the disc mode. When choose the unwanted target as the menu button, the arrow points to nail, for example, and flash. This means the nail, bottle, copper, or iron objects will be ignored. The detector will have no reaction on these objects anymore. You press the menu more times to move the flashing around to the 5 Th, to the pull tab as cap. At this time, the 5 Th pull cap as will be ignored. The detector will have no reaction to the objects. We press the menu again after the above unwanted target is chosen. One more arrow pointed to the nail bottle cap will flash. This means the detector will not have reaction neither to iron or to 5 Th pull tab as caps. Okay, it sounds a little bit difficult, but it is not. The only thing you have to make is push the menu button or let it in random mode. Then it will detect every metal part, gold part, copper part as well. Okay, 25 cent, 50 cent, silver or copper objects can be ignored because they are made of valuable materials. Flashing arrows will point to what the users would like to eliminate. If the user doesn't detect any metal, the arrow will keep flashing. Once the user detects the metal objects, the flashing arrows will disappear in another. Arrow turns up to point out the target indicator. At the same time, the detector emits a tone. This arrow for target indication will stay on the LCD display around 10 seconds. If there is no other metal object which has been detected, the arrow will disappear after it. When we go back to detect, the flashing arrow for eliminates the metal won't be back. Therefore, please remember which metal we have set up to ignore. Okay? A detail setting is screened on the screen. You can see it in front of you. If it's really easy because nail bottle cap iron is on the left side. In the center is a 5 cent, pull tab, screw cap, some gold, zinc and nickels, okay? This is the center. And on the right side is nail, bottle cap, iron, 5 cent, pull tab, screw cap, some foil, gold, zinc and nickels. This is the first two steps, and on the right side is then the gold and other metals, okay? For example, okay, you go, place a sample of the metal we want to detect, find it, such as a gold ring or a coin, on the ground. We hold the search coil level to ground about 1-2 inches above the surface. Slowly move the search coil over the area where you place the sample, sweeping the search coil in a side-to-side motion in an arc line of 10 cm of motion. When the detector detects a ferrous target, it sounds a low tone and arrows points to nail bottle cap. When it finds a non-ferrous target, it sounds a medium or a high tone and arrows the points of the 5 cent, 1 cent, pull cent, cap, and 50 cent. Okay? And then you can find it. But if you will find it in the pinpoint options, when we want to find metal objects, we can press the pinpoint button to the pinpoint at the target. This closer the distance to target, the larger the detector indicates a signal. The horn alarm sounds will also be louder. It is more easy to help us to find the target objects. That's awesome, okay? Never sweep the search call as if were a pendulum. Raising the search coil while sweeping or at the end of the sweep will cause false reading. We sweep it slowly, hurrying will cause us to miss the target. It's better we sweep the search coil from side to side in an arc line of 3 inches motion and keep the search coil parallel with the ground. It's difficult to have an accurate detection result. It is need to practice to get the better detection results. Sometimes the detection may be restricted by some factors. If there are interferences from other instruments of electrical cable or televisions, radio in the searching area, we lower the sensitivity, okay, or to change the current searching area. When searching in highly mineralized areas, the unit will sound even if there's no metal. In this case, we can lower the sensitivity and increase the height between the search coil and the ground until the false signal disappears. Okay, you can see it's not so hard. Okay, but there can be a little bit time for fail alerts. So you have to use this machine to adjust it a little bit, make the right decisions on it, and then go step by step, and then you can find big nuggets of gold out there on the beach, for example. This is the awesome and really awesome metal detector by Anakin. It is an adjustable metal detector for adults and kids with a larger backlit LCD display, included beach waterproof function. It's a gold detector with pinpoint and sensitive search coil. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.